Okay, we're going to do a pressure cap and beauty cover system. As you notice, our rubber on here is long, and we leave it long just to let it expand and contract. So when you're ready to put the cap on, get one side nice and flush, just cut the bottom. This, you want to line it center on your track. And I can't stress enough, you got to find that screw track. And once you get the hang of it, you'll find it. See, right there, I'm not in. So we got to readjust. Now we take our beauty cover. I highly recommend you use like a rubber mallet, otherwise you're going to get sore hands by the end of the day. But what you want to do is sort of hook it on the one side of the beauty cover and start at the bottom, just work your way to the top. I know this feels a little scary, but you're not going to break the glass. And then you just want to make sure that you see no silver on the sides, and we look good there. And that's your beauty cover.